Well, as we started, we see a whole flock of sheep. Boys and girls, even though they have horns. Okay, let's see. This one seems very active. He's dancing around, and he is dancing around. This is very frustrating. And I'm wearing this big sheep that seems real active. Well, he was running a few laps and I was kind of freaky. But even though, let's see, the booking. As we move on to the next start of the sheep-shearing, we'll be now about seeing a real live sheep-shear and a sheep getting sheared. Let's go watch. Right there is the shearer, and right there is the sheep that's going to run. That is the wool that's getting carried out. Going far and
but well, they know I'm in trouble.
This is Grace Captain saying this is all the wool that's coming off the sheep. Let's go see this.
When I come out, it's because
That's a lot of wool for one teeny sheep. So let's see what's going to happen to these sheep that's getting ready to get sheared. I see they are all pushy to get sheared from. But some of them are arguing and jumping on each other. But that one in the corner seems like being the dominant one. And just to say something, these are all males. That's right. And if you can see, I am touching a sheep horn, okay? The sheep horn is good as gold. Let's go see it back to the sheep. Herding, oh here, another sheep is getting herded. Let's go see the back up. But all these sheep look to be interviewed, so let's start with this one. Let's start with that one. Excuse me, sheep, do you have anything to say to the viewers at home? I see it's very sweet. Let's interview this sheep right here. Mr. Sheep, do you have any reason why is it cold with this sheep?
One moment.
Oh.